Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. So I'm back in my garden and I figured I would put the compost in my garden bed. So we're still about 2 weeks out away from putting our plants in the ground outdoors for Michigan. And so I figured it would be a good opportunity to get my compost in and let it kind of start doing its thing and get rained on a few times before I put my plants in my garden beds because I don't want them to burn. And I know it's probably broke down a little bit, but I don't want to risk burning my delicate plants. So I'm gonna put my compost in now and kind of clean up my garden area, and thought I would bring you guys along. So we still have yet to fill this bed. We're gonna go probably next weekend and get the rest of our fill dirt that we need. Like I said in my last video, the fill dirt that we're using isn't real nutrient dense. It's just got some coconut coir and some wood chips, and it's really airy and fluffy. So that's why I'm adding compost to my beds, so that hopefully it gives it enough nutrients for my garden this year. And then I'll definitely add in some more amendments next year. So not worrying about this bed, but I've got this one, and then the back one to fill with compost today. And so the compost I'm using is from Earth Grow, and it's just the organic hummus and manure. And I think these are like $3.85 at Home Depot. Alright, now that I have my garden area cleaned up for the night, I am going to just end this video by watering my potato bed. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm going to be doing a whole series of my garden this year, and chicken coop and a lot of landscaping stuff. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I wish you guys a great week. God bless.